How to cancel plenty of fish or POF subscription on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then cancel your plenty of fish subscription on your iPhone. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now it's very easy to delete or cancel your POF subscription on your Android or iPhone. In our previous video, we learned it how we can do it on Android. So now from your iPhone, just start by launching your settings application. Once you launch your settings application, you will see somewhat this kind of interface. And over here, you just have to tap on your Apple ID profile, which is at the very top of the screen. Once you tap on your Apple ID profile, on the next page you will see all this type of various options, and you just have to select the one that says subscriptions, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the subscriptions button, you have to scroll to the bottom of your Plenty of Fish membership, which means that you'll be able to see all of the membership which you've taken from your Apple account. And then you have to follow the on-screen instructions in order to cancel the subscription. So this is how you can cancel the subscription. You might have been trying to look for the option within the POF account. You will not be able to cancel your subscription from within the POF account. Instead, you have to go to your Apple ID profile, go to subscriptions, and then tap on POF and then follow the instructions in order to cancel it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.